What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best hot foil stamping machines for 2025 in this video. We won't talk about prices here, but you can find links in the description for more info and deals. We update those links to show the best prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos. Let's get started. Number 5. ZonePak Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The ZonePak Hot Foil Stamping Machine makes it easy to add shiny designs and logos to many materials. It works well on paper, leather, PVC, PU, plastic, and more. You can use it to stamp business cards, phone covers, handbags, or even car seats. Easy to use upgrade plate. This upgraded model has a strong aluminum base plate. The plate has clear scale lines and slides out, so you can place your items better. This helps you get perfect stamp positions every time. Better heat plate and dual-use design. The machine comes with a 10 by 13 cm heating board. It also has a 13 cm T-slot plate, which is great for using letter stamps. You can even remove the top heating layer to use it for logo stamping. Adjustable height for different materials. You can change the height of the heat plate. Just loosen 2 screws in the back and turn the knob on top. This lets you adjust the press for different material thicknesses. Bonus foil rolls included. ZonePak gives you 1 roll of gold foil and 1 roll of silver foil. It also includes a plastic plate that helps with precise placement. These extras help make your project stand out with color and shine. Perfect for many projects. This hot foil stamper is great for crafts, small business, or personal gifts. It can print on leather, paper, wood, plastic, and more. Use it to create custom logos, names, or shiny art on many items. The ZonePak Hot Foil Stamping Machine is a great tool for anyone who wants to make high-quality stamped items with ease. Number 4. ZonePak ZS-100B Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The ZonePak ZS-100B is a simple, manual hot foil stamping machine. It is made to press shiny logos or letters onto many surfaces. You can use it on paper, leather, plastic, rubber, and fabric. It works great for small crafts or business needs. Built for pencils and more. This machine has a special jig for stamping pencils. It also has a T-slot that holds letters in place. This helps you line up the letters and press them exactly where you want. For pencils, it's best to use 3mm letters. Simple and smart design. The machine has a digital heat control. You can adjust the heat for different materials. Flat and smooth items give the best results. The heating plate can be removed, which makes it easy to change molds even when it's hot. Easy mold changes. You can take out the T-slot plate and add custom copper molds with screws. You can also use the slot to install patterns or grains. This makes the machine useful for many kinds of designs. Great for many projects. Use this tool for stamping leather bags, rubber cases, paper tags, or fabric. It can also emboss logos, patterns, or letters onto different items. It's perfect for hobby use, gifts, or branding handmade products. The ZonePak ZS-100B is a great choice if you want to start hot stamping at home or work. It's easy to use, flexible, and built for creative projects. Number 3. ZonePak ZS-100 Digital Embossing Machine. The ZonePak ZS-100 is a strong and easy-to-use embossing machine. It is made from steel and aluminum, and it comes in silver and white. This tool is great for stamping on PVC, leather, PU, paper, and more. It's perfect for small businesses and craft lovers. Dual-use design for more options. The ZS-100 has a smart dual-use heating board. You can remove the heating T-board to use custom molds. If you leave it in, you can use copper letter molds with the built-in T-slot. This gives you more ways to create custom designs. Easy to control temperature. The machine has a digital display to set the heat. It shows the temperature clearly and is very accurate. You can heat it up fast and adjust it with just one button. The heat can go from 0 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius, depending on what material you're stamping. Precise and strong performance. The machine has a 10 by 13 cm stamping area. It presses with a force of 15 to 38 kgf and runs on 110V. There's a scale on the workbench to help you stamp in the right spot. It also comes with a paper holder to keep things steady. Great for many materials. This machine works on leather, rubber, plastic, paper, and more. You can use it to brand, emboss, or add shiny foil to different items. It's good for logos, names, and stylish designs. The ZonePak ZS100 is a strong, easy, and flexible tool for anyone who wants to start foil stamping at home or for work. Number 2. Zonason Leather Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The Zonason Hot Foil Stamping Machine is made to press custom logos and letters onto leather, paper, and more. It is perfect for stamping copper or brass letters. This machine helps you create clean, shiny designs with ease. Adjustable temperature for better results. Different materials need different heat levels. This machine lets you adjust the temperature to match your material. This helps you get the best stamping effect every time. It heats up fast and is simple to control. Adjustable height for all thicknesses. You can also change the height of the stamping plate. This is useful for working with thick or thin materials. It helps press evenly and gives a smooth, deep design. This makes your stamp look sharp and professional. Precise positioning made easy. The machine comes with a positioning plate. This plate helps you line up your item in the right spot. It keeps each stamp in the same place, so your designs look neat and consistent. Strong worktable with useful features. The worktable is made of aluminum and has a built-in scale. This helps you measure and place your material correctly. There is also a spot to hold the foil roll, which makes stamping faster and cleaner. Great for crafts and custom work. Use this machine for leather tags, book covers, business cards, and more. It's great for anyone who wants to make high-quality, custom items. Whether you run a small shop or love to craft, the Zonason machine is a great tool. Number 1. Fastabuy Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The Fastabuy Hot Foil Stamping Machine is a strong, easy-to-use tool for making shiny logos and marks. You can use it on PVC, leather, PU, paper, and more. It is perfect for personal crafts or small business use. The machine is compact, easy to set up, and great for beginners. Strong and balanced pressure. This upgraded model has 4 balanced springs. These springs help press the stamp evenly on your material. This gives you a clean, sharp design every time. The strong pressure makes sure your stamp looks neat and deep. Easy mold adjustment. The heating plate has a long U-shaped hole. This makes it easy to add or move your mold forward or back. You can set your stamp exactly where you want it. This feature helps save time and reduce mistakes. Accurate stamping every time. The base plate is made of stainless steel and has a full grid scale. This helps you place your item in the right spot. The clear lines make positioning fast and easy. Your designs will look neat and well-centered. Ready to use and great support. The machine comes with silver and gold foil for practice. It also has a digital display to set the right heat. Different materials need different heat, so always check before stamping. Fastabuy also offers great customer support if you need help. Perfect for leather, paper, and more. Use this machine to stamp logos, names, or patterns on leather goods, cards, tags, and other items. It's a great tool for hobby crafters or small shops. If you want clean, shiny designs, this machine gets the job done.